Living means relating to the world. The person who is on the coma in the hospital, we never say he is living. We say he is alive. We never say he is living a life. Living means to relate to the world. And when you relate to the world, your emotions come on the way. So your day-to-day response is based on your emotions. And therefore, basically the gap between one's understanding and the actual day-to-day living, well, is a problem. We have a lot of understanding, but when we respond to the world, our maturity, emotional maturity really counts. And this gap between the response to the world and my own understanding is beautifully expressed by Duryodhana in a very famous verse you know also. Janami dharmam nachame pravuttihi, janami adharmam nachame nivruttih, kenapi devena hridisthitena, yatha niyuktosmi tatha karomi. So I know what is right, but I cannot pursue it. I know what is wrong, but I cannot desist from doing it. I do as directed by someone who seems to be within me. Reveals a certain helplessness in responding to the situation. That helplessness is called emotional immaturity. Not only Duryodhana, such same helplessness is expressed in a Bhagavad Gita by Arjuna also. Atha kena prayuktoyam papam charati purushaha anichannapi varshne baladiva niyojitah. In 3rd chapter, 36th verse. So, O Varshneya, O Krishna, impelled by what does this man commit sin even against his wish? Even he knows what is right. Same thing, as though being impelled by some force. Again, helplessness. So our day-to-day responses, whether they are healthy or unhealthy, depends upon the adulthood one has. Right? Physically mature, emotionally may not be adult. And so, basically, we do not seem to grow, we seem to remain the same. No matter what our intellectual accomplishments are, emotionally we seem to remain immature, insecure. We seem to be helpless. No one consciously get angry, right? Even if I tell you to get angry for 1 minute, you are not able to. It is not that you are free from anger. Yeah. Anger comes to you. Yeah. Anger comes to you. You find yourself angry in a situation. It just happens. Reveals a certain helplessness. In your response, you find anger, helplessness, emotional immaturity.